that? Shh. The paint's no good. It's all happened.
I don't care. I was looking at it. I want this. This is mine.
No, I just took that out, dude.
No, it's mine.
No.
It's mine.
No, I like it a lot.
I don't never take nothing and I want it. So I'm like, it's okay. Have it.
No, go ahead. That's the
It's okay.
You win, take it.
Nope.
Take it up like a... If you don't take it, I'm gonna fucking shove it up your head.
Okay, well try me, bitch.
It's alright, baby. I got some more at home.
Nope, it's okay.
Babe,
Hey,
if you don't, I'm gonna get my screwdriver out and I'm gonna go start taking them off all the walls.
don't say that.
Just take it. You have to. Otherwise, I will.
I know you'll take it. I know you're gonna take it.
No, otherwise, I will do that to the rest of them.
No.
Yes, I will.
No.
Yes, I will.
Jenna.
Shut
Shut up, Jenna.
up. Bye.
No. Move your head. That would have been funny.
That would have been mean.
I don't know.
What kind of neat? Look.
How about light bulbs? You want light bulbs?
Yeah, I definitely want the light bulbs. I said all this stuff. I wanted the light bulbs, the keys, and all this here. Now the paint.
You have a shitty way of putting stuff together.
I was just getting it all on each other. Like I want the all of this.
Oh my God! Will you give me just a moment? Confused or
Missing the animal. Because we know, as long as I push you off, you're not missing much. Right?
Jenna?
Pretty!
The icicles.
I will be making earrings and necklaces out of
Mama
these
had
for
those.
years.
Mama had a bunch of those. You make them into sun catchers. That's what they're made for, sun catchers. Sun catchers. You're really gonna make me take these raggedy ass curtains?
No, just the dryer sheets is what I'm saying. Let's go because they say we're running.
This is lightweight, not. Ugh.
Yeah, you're right. Not much lately. I'm just saying much lately. You're right. We're doing our laundry. Everyone's been fucking continuing to scavenge clothes until one day I'm gonna run out. Yeah, I was gonna grab one of those, but I don't really have to. They're just kind of a if we can. It's not too inconvenient.
I don't know why you wouldn't. I'll take anything else. Those. Ooh, those are big. I got big nails.
Are they?
Big nails. 4.
Oh shit. There's glass. Hey, there's more. There's more for you. She's probably like, what the fuck are these bitches doing in here?
They don't know.
Don't tell on me.
I swear I will kill her.
Huh?
I will kill people if they tell.
Did they tell on me?
Oh, I don't care if they tell on you.
Oh, okay.
I'm just kidding.
That's okay. I don't mind. I'm a big girl. If they telling me, I gotta threaten myself. Alright, on that. And then
I can't breathe anymore. This.
I know where I'm supposed to. This is it.
I couldn't fit any more in there.
Okay, but hang on. I got another. Oh, I don't know what this is. I was trying to figure it out. What is that?
This is. Oh, it's a book cover. You put them. It's because you can't have.
I was thinking.
Do you hear me? It's a book cover. You can't have paper, like a sticky kind of book covers anymore. So like, you open your book up and you stick like your English book and shit, and then it wraps around it like that. It's a book cover. Glad I